Pro Fish. Hi,
Hey,
I'm Travis,
and I'm Erin.
and we are Our Lively Tribe.
It's been a while. We always do this.
We take long gaps
Yeah, I have to for my sanity.
for your sanity.
Yeah. Has it helped?
Yeah. Where have we been? I don't even
So-
remember our last YouTube.
Last YouTube was we were driving to Michigan.
We're still there. We haven't done anything. Nothing's
still in
happened
Michigan.
since then.
Oh, I wish.
No, it's like frozen right now, so that's...
Oh yeah, it's really cold there.
Corey sent me a picture. It's like 10 degrees.
What's that?
Yeah, no.
What's 10 degrees?
10 degrees. It's like 70 right now here.
In Maine. Yeah, 70 in California. It's
Yeah.
freezing. I'm in long sleeves and jeans. I'm actually wearing shoes today. That's how cold it is today. So when we got back from our trip, I started editing a few videos. We jumped back into work, and the boys started school. So homeschooling 3 boys, running 2 businesses, I had to let something go, and I had to let YouTube go for a while because it's a lot of work.
We did an entire trailer since then.
We
Holy smokes.
We finished the White Hawk renovation and sent her on her
Dang.
adventure.
We hired somebody in this time.
We hired
Holy
a guy.
Smokes.
Yeah, we've
Lots
done quite a
happened,
bit.
man.
But for my mental sanity, I had to let something go, and that had to be YouTube. And I love YouTube. I love updating everybody. Instagram is way easier to just quickly update things. I don't have to sit and edit.
Yeah.
And it's the sitting and editing that just takes so much time. And the way the world is and everything we've been doing this year, I'm just mentally drained. So I stepped away from editing for a while. I just need to hire out someone to edit for free.
For free. I need to hire out for free. I am known to pay in hugs, so...
COVID, you can't hug right now. I thought since it's the end of 2020, thank God, and I thought, although somebody told me the other day, beware of 2021, because
now they're legal to drink.
Now they're legal to drink.
So this year could be a cluster.
Anyways, but we have a fresh, brand new, beautiful renovation to start. And she's sitting right here. She's already sold to a family of 5, and we are gonna start that renovation. So I thought I just need to update here and there and let you guys see where we are.
Yeah.
We also are in the middle of another renovation, and this one is not to be sold.
Nope, unless you offer enough. You know, anything's for sale.
True. But this one we bought off his sister, and we are renovating it for us to use for a family of 6 and renovating it to rent. So I'm really excited about that. Our friends have been contacting us saying, do you have any trailers for rent? We're going camping this weekend. People we know are renting rigs, and we're like, oh my gosh, we just need to have one available. So that's what we're doing, and we're really, really, really excited about this one.
Yeah, it's gonna be, well, I'm excited because we're taking a 24-foot trailer. It wasn't really practical even for my sister and her only 1 kid at the time.
Yeah, and her wife. It was just not usable on the road.
So we're super excited to get in that tiny thing and make it functional for a family of 6. That's the goal, is to be like, all right, let's push the limit on this tiny box and see what we can do.
So what we're gonna do today is I'm going to walk you through that one. That is called the Evo renovation, and I'm gonna show you what we're doing in that one. We're also gonna start the tear down of the Outback renovation, and I'll give you a little tour of that one and post this video and get this up for you guys. And I promise I have 2 RV renovation tours coming at you. We've got the White Hawk renovation tour and reveal for her family, and we will share that with you. We also went back to the Meredith renovation, the big 5th wheel that we renovated. After the family had settled in it, they graciously welcomed us in to photograph and video, and we interviewed them a little. So I have that for you as well. I'm behind, I know. But I have my kids' education, YouTube, Like, I'm trying to find a balance.
I'm teaching them how to weld.
Yeah. You can teach Trenton how to spell weld.
That's a tough task.
Then he
for
can work
that
on his
child.
letters too.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, I know we're all trying to keep our heads above water right now, and I pray that your head is above water.
Yeah.
Mine sort of is. And yeah, well, we got stuff coming at you. But if you really want to stay updated on our daily, day-to-day RV renovation stuff, you can head over to our Instagram at Our Lively Tribe RV Renovations and check out every day what we do, because that's just so easy to update you on. Otherwise, I will do my best.
Plus, the business is going to be taking another tour.
Are you going to share that right
No, I'm not going to share it, but we got more things coming at
We
you.
got some really exciting things happening.
I need some time.
Yeah, we need some people.
Yeah.
All right, so let me show you what we're doing over here.
All right. First, I'm gonna look. We got new gravel. We're adding to it. Follow me. This is the Evo. This was my sister's trailer. I think it's a 2015, I believe. 24 foot, one slide, Forest River Evo. And we got it gutted out. But what was here, I'll kind of explain it. This was, a wraparound dinette. So the table was here, right?
Yep.
And, seats all around. Those just aren't even functional, period. It's kind of amazing that they're continuing to do this thing that is so difficult to get inside. So we took all of that out. And over here there was a couch, I believe. A little tiny 2-person love seat. Got that out of here. Some cabinets were above here. We took those out to instantly this space, it feels so much bigger already. So that's the goal, is to try and make it feel as spacious as we can. Gutted all this. We're going to redo the counters. So what we're doing, we're actually flipping this. And we're going to make this area mine and Aaron's room with just our bed.
And we're not living in it.
No, we're not living in it. This is going to be for traveling, for having fun. So we're going to turn this into a bed for Aaron and I.
And anybody who rents it.
And anybody who rents it. So we'll build it up, and we're going to have drawers coming out from the bottom to make this space as usable as possible. And in the daytime, it will just kind of be a day bed. We'll throw some big pillows on there, put a blanket on it that's used for just getting dirty, having your feet on, that type of stuff. So that'll be a day bed. We're actually going to extend this counter. So it's going to come off and reach all the way across here. And this is going to turn into a counter, like a bar space. So we're going to have stools under it. So all this will be open for sitting. So this will essentially turn into our table where we're using for eating and everything. So we're really excited about that idea and that concept. Can't wait to get started on that. So that's what we're going to do here. We'll probably end up putting a television maybe back right here, I guess. That's what was here. We'll probably extend out this counter to make it a little more user-friendly and functional. Before it was so narrow, it's hard to do anything with that. So we'll extend this out so that we can do our coffee area and all of those type of things. We'll leave this, mostly because the wiring harnesses are in these. So the less I have to hide wires, the happier I am. And then we'll make our way. It has a decent sized bathroom, which is sick, with plenty of cabinets. We will be doing something to this shower, but not just yet. We got a trip planned before I want to take that thing apart. So we want this thing to be functional first. And back here is where things are really going to change and get crazy. We're going to be adding 4 bunks in here, 4 beds for our boys, and for whoever rents it. So we still haven't quite figured out exactly how we'll be doing that, but we will, and it's going to be awesome. So we're excited to take this on and see how it turns out.
All right.
So yeah, that's it.
So let's go check out the new rig that we just brought home.
The Outback. So this is the Outback. It's from Australia.
Wah, wah, wah. Button.
We just rigs are becoming harder to find right now. The market's been crazy. So we hunted this thing down, took a couple weeks to find one that we really wanted, and we searched this, and the second we found it, we jumped on it because we knew this was going to fit the family that needs it. So yeah, it's an Outback Keystone Superlight. I believe it is closer to 35 feet. It says 324, but that's just the number they gave it. So it's about 35 feet in length, really light. I think this rig weighs in at around like 7,000 pounds, so pretty light for how huge this thing is. Crazy clean. I couldn't believe how clean it was when I went into it, which is always a good sign. Something cool with this rig is it's actually a travel trailer toy hauler. So this door actually folds all the way down, and you're able to ride a quad up there or park a couple motorcycles in it. It says it can hold up to 1,000 pounds on the tongue of added weight, which is a lot of weight for the tongue. So that's a really neat feature that I hope they'll utilize because it's a really practical thing. So let's get inside and see what it looks like. It is so dark and brown. It's amazing, like all of this stuff around these, all it does is take away light from in here, but they still do it. So yeah, this is going to go to a family of 5. They have 3 little boys, like 2 to 7, I believe. So they're going to be living in it full time. So we can tour the back. One thing that this rig came in that they had specifically asked was a king size bed. The odds of finding a travel trailer with a king size bed is pretty wild. So this actually is a king size mattress. So when we saw this, we really, that added to the reasons why we wanted.
So it was a slide, and the slide came out, which added a lot of walk space here, and the husband needs an office, so we will be creating a desk and an office.
Yeah.
There's a ton of space in here, which made it exactly why we bought it.